Good morning, everyone. I will send weekly announcements on Sundays to let you know what's coming up for the week. I want to make sure we are well aware of what is due this week. Please check the schedule found on the calendar or the syllabus regularly to know when assignments are due. They also appear on the Canvas calendar. Hope you're having a good weekend. We are entering week 2 of the very fast-paced intersection class. There are some items I want to call to your attention, so here we go. As you can see, this is a very loaded week. It's the second week. Lots of stuff has to get done this week. So here we go. Here's the summary of what is due this week. Physical geography news discussion number 2 is due Sunday, January 16 by 11:59. Saturday, 1/16, January 16 by 11:59 p.m. Follow directions for this assignment carefully. You are to submit 2 paragraphs in response to your chosen news article. In the first paragraph, you are to paraphrase and summarize the article in your own words. In the second paragraph, you are to connect the contents of the article to topics being discussed in class. Also, remember that a paragraph is technically 5 to 6 sentences minimum. Failure to follow directions will result in the loss of points. Map quiz number 2, Africa and the Middle East, is due Tuesday, January 12th by 11:59 p.m. And map quiz number 3, Europe, Russian Federation, and Central Asia, is due Friday, January 15 by 11:59 p.m. Yes, 2 of them are due this week. These 2 map quizzes are already available on Canvas, so you can start working on it at any time. Take a look at the map images provided. Each of the locations you are being asked to identify has a number. Match the number with the correct location in the list provided and write in the answer in the response section of the quiz. Key concept questions, chapters 6 to 11, due Saturday, January 16 by 11:59 p.m. You need to answer all of the key terms provided in a black template with just the terms and submit them in a Word or PDF document by the deadline. Remember to submit them only on Word or PDF. If you're a Mac user and you submit them in Pages, which is the default, the assignment will be rejected. So save us a PDF or a Word document in order for the assignment to go through. Exam number 2, chapters 6 through 11, due Sunday, January 17 by 11:59 p.m. This exam should be the same as the last one, just different topics. Please notice that most of the assignments, there are deadlines. You have opportunities to submit them, to submit the assignments up to the deadline. In some assignments, you may be able to submit your assignments up to a week after the due date, but you will lose points for being late. Due to the compact nature of this course, make sure your assignments are submitted by the deadline to avoid losing points. This class is not set up to work at your own pace. This class is conducted on an accelerated pace and with a strict schedule. I check Canvas daily and I see your level of activity. I suggest that you log into Canvas frequently, preferably daily. This is the only way to keep up with the accelerated pace of this class. The deadlines to drop the class have passed, so you are now responsible to complete the requirements of the class to be able to attain the grade that you desire in this class. Please read the instructions for the assignments carefully. The main reason why students lose points is because they don't follow directions. I will be grading your submissions in the next couple of days, so you may understand my expectations for the assignments and, of course, my grading style. I wanted to point out that the documentary review assignment is mandatory. It is not optional. I left some language in the syllabus from previous semesters when I had it as an extra credit assignment. My apologies if I may have confused you. I have not corrected the syllabus to reflect that this assignment is mandatory. I will likely publish it at the beginning of next week, since this week is loaded with assignment. Anyway, I know this is a lot, but this is the nature of the intercession. Trust me, this is also a lot of work for me. Have a nice weekend and see you online Monday.